Jama kwa badibala media Ghana senindi di kame so be subscribe no ye de ani kire eye Ibrahim Mahama eye His Excellency John Dramani Mahama nimia o ne saka eye Black Volta Gold project bi ne company Engineers Planners Company Limited omozaka Black Volta Gold project ewo Northwest in Ghana na de tieni almost started say omudi project we hu komakra na eye John Dramani Mahama His Excellency na onia by mu way back there 2023 and almost started so mudi hu komo na afina omonsa aka project no na omonsa aka project no eye owura Kwesi Botwe Junior awoye lawyer edem MPP wabeka na adwene afasa project na ne nsa aka no ho na yedi kan ye nkwohwe time a ne nsa aka project no na ye ba de ono zo beka fa ho no ya ba biduedue.
It's perhaps the most exciting, profitable and sustainable mine in our generation. The Black Volta project is in the middle of the well-mineralized gold super province, which hosts orogenic gold deposits in the upper west region of Ghana. And so, all is said now. Ladies and gentlemen, behold, the assets of Azuma Resources Limited, the Black Volta project, is hereby acquired. Put your hands together as we celebrate a beautiful Ghanaian story, sustainable mining, one that benefits Ghana.
Today, I feel vindicated. Engineers and Planners, a wholly owned Ghanaian company, has secured $100 million facility from ECOWAS Bank for Investment and Development to acquire the Black Volta Gold Project. Now, this will be the first large-scale indigenous-owned gold mining project in country, a long overdue breakthrough and a powerful symbol of what is possible when vision meets courage and ambition meets execution. Ladies and gentlemen, this is happening at a very opportune time. John Mahama, our president's government, is pursuing an aggressive policy agenda aimed at promoting greater Ghanaian participation in the industry. The initiative by ENP gives strong credence to the government's commitment, not just in word, but in deed. Indeed, it is a practical expression of policy vision that seeks to anchor resource nationalism in indigenous entrepreneurship. Ladies and gentlemen, let us be clear. And I repeat, let us be clear. This is not a favor. There is no political patronage here. This is not crony capitalism. This is not about friends and family. The deal we are witnessing here today was actually initiated as far back as 2023, October, with no fanfare, no interference, and no backroom dealings. It is in every sense of the word a commercial transaction built on merit, backed by a strong balance sheet, and grounded in solid business fundamentals. Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, the courage and foresight of ENP under the distinguished leadership of Ibrahim Mahama, who I first met in 1998, when he came to seek advice about entering the mining industry, deserves our highest commendation. Back then, his interest was alluvial mining and specifically Kibe gold resources. He came to see me with his partner, Richard Levac, and I said to them that while alluvial mining was unlikely to yield sustainable returns, hard rock mining was the future. The young man then, now he's got gray hair, listened. He built a company. He earned the respect of the industry, and now he stands tall, poised to fulfill a vision that many considered impossible. Congratulations, Ibrahim. You have made us all proud. Ladies and gentlemen, the success of this deal is not just about one company. It is about national economic transformation. For far too long, the mining industry in Ghana, despite its immense contribution to exports and foreign exchange, has been largely disconnected from the broader economy. Why, we may ask? Because the ownership has been foreign largely, the procurement has been offshore, and the capital goods have come from abroad. There has been little integration, weak linkages, and minimal domestic value creation. Ladies and gentlemen, this must change, and it starts today. The move by ENP represents precisely the kind of change we need. When Ghanaians own the mines, when the decisions are made here, and when the value is retained within our borders, the contribution of this industry to Ghana GDP, job creation, and industrial development will be significantly enhanced.
Right, yes, I'm about the Bala Media Ghana. Young Ko Ura Kwesibo to Junior Nensemneso. Also President Mahama'S brother, Ibrahim Mahama'S Engineers and Planners Company Limited, has this afternoon forcefully and without due process acquired the Black Volta gold project located northwest of Ghana, which is expected to produce 163,000 ounces of gold annually, approximately $5 billion. Out the back Ghana's economy, 52 trillion Ghana cedis every year, tapping to 148,000 ounces over the first few years. The project has an estimated reserve of approximately 1.37 million ounces, covering a 934 square kilometer exploration area. Black Volta is one of the largest landing zones outside of major mining players in Ghana. The president's brother is about to control one of our largest gold reserves. This deal is not transparent. It is a daylight robbery. It is not in the interest of Ghanaians. Say no to state capture. I shall be back with more details. Right, and someone will or say a state capturing. Yes, campaign na say project na yamano no a state capturing. Namo MPP for yeah, ka state capturing na Abramo wa bemu dia mumu ye we grade sa bind light mu bia hu dia mumu ye under MPP mumu ba ye MPP aban mu be ye no family and friends business ambe motam we na mo dia ma we motam position we na mo dia ma we aye finance minister no ye den to Akufo-Addo ne cousin ano oye no finance minister wo beye economy no betoto no basa say no mene wadwane akoshe broni kroma ye friend so ombra meyi ne ho ano a omba Samuel Atachia, Minister of West and Housing, no any day when a cousin. And your project I can't say it's hard position at Modemano. A day no so ye more bets now bemu for 8 good years madi Ghana for bro madi ehwamo Ghana for do mani to mo so say mbetuma ba be ye o mani ye because bosha mo hyehye se mo ba mo be ye no minya maanye ba akokra mo ba ye family and friends business and am ba be ye mato manager padie nyina bibia free yensa no obi de we dey buy into light my hu ne aircon no what be no say we nim say down press conference number we press conference and am kwa kwaye ba yete ha ye hwe ene ye bekoso say state captain na ye wa ha but the men so me catch NDC aban ene owura John Dramani Mahama ne say die si nra no e me bi nsi because die si ye enya say mo aba no nso mo so ba be ye bi say wa ba ye no ena watam eye project no e de ama o brother onya no said ye be ya aba ye kan say Ghana ye be benefit every home na ngo ye say like mo so mo aba chese obi aba be di biko inti mo so ba be di sa de ye ntwema mu krum ha because this time around no ye me ye say citizens I be kan no otum ni ahwe mo we are not going to do that inti mo nya dia e de wo man no enkan ko beba na youth ai wo man no ye ho be kire ni nja I say en na youth ai wo Ghana nyina adwane free Ghana e ko ye nko ha won ko fokuro so inti said ye owura ko sibotwe all kan no NDC aban me ka kire mu say ye no kresa mesra mu munya mu niam ye because this time around no ye ntwem mamo ye ngogina wiem ngoto aba emeyimu na mama metro na maye family and friends business na mo fa maye mu huyie na ye ne aka ne na mfom na awi ase ye na ye bre en youth Ghana youth akodi ngofo man so emebi mu wuwu ye ntimi kra mfo bi mu nkrom all because of the leaders that we have in this country. In this some person from who leave good legacy na ye bomudin ka asem emre beba na nchirima beka say eye nipa we ye the prejudice and san enam no so no man ye say o man ko yi a mu leave good legacy. All right, hi Island Media Ghana wasem we wadwen kire wo ho ne say fa to comment section me ba make kan e de amam